Hi, my name is Carly Auer, and I'm a classical homeopath at Our Family Homeopathy in Mesa, Arizona. I have two children who have been raised on homeopathic medicine. Homeopathy has been such a gift in our lives, and I'm so happy today to be here to share it with you. I'm a graduate of the American Medical College of Homeopathy in Phoenix, Arizona, and on behalf of AMCH, we would like to welcome you to our new self-help homeopathy program. I invite you to visit us at selfhelphomeopathy.com. We have 30 different programs in a variety of topics, from acute back pain to cold and flu to autism spectrum disorders. The great thing about these programs is that in addition to focusing on a specific ailment, they also offer an introduction to general homeopathic and holistic medicine. So if you've ever wanted to learn about homeopathy and how it can help you, this is a great place to start. Visit us at selfhelphomeopathy.com.
Here is a brief clip from this program suggesting homeopathic remedies that are useful in treating this condition.
This next remedy is an interesting remedy. It's called Coccus cacti, and it's an insect that grows on cacti here in the southwest desert. It's one of our most common remedies for cough. It's useful for uncomplicated coughs and for croup. It's one of our main remedies for croup. It also can be used for whooping cough as well. I've seen this remedy used successfully in both adults and in children. One of the keys for the coughing of Coccus cacti is that the coughs come in paroxysms, where they will cough a whole lot for a short period of time and then stop coughing. This, of course, is typical of bouts of croup as well as whooping cough. Typically, they will have difficulty getting breath in between the coughing, and will cause choking paroxysms. Their coughs tend to be dry and short and hard. There can be, however, wet coughs where they will cough up mouthfuls of mucus. And like causticum, it's thick mucus, but it has a particular characteristic of coming in ropes or being stringy. Also, Coccus cacti has very specific time aggravations when the cough comes on, and that can be either 6 a.m. or 11:30 p.m. They are worse from lying, worse from being in a warm room, and better from an open air. And they're better from cold drinks and worse from warm drinks. Coccus cacti is a remedy that oftentimes is indicated in winter coughs or exposure to cold. The cough seems also to often come from the larynx and feel like there's an irritation in the larynx area. And it can also be associated with vomiting with coughing. Particularly in the larynx, the sensation is one of a crumb or a dust lodged there that they're trying to get out. This next remedy is Drosera rotundifolia, or the sundew plant. And for those of you who know a little bit about botany, Drosera is one of the carnivorous plants. Drosera is mostly used for whooping cough, although it can treat other coughs as well. It's one of our most severe cough remedies, and it's used for more severe coughs. And people who have these coughs will oftentimes have a great deal of anxiety. The coughs are very distressing and oftentimes painful. And like Coccus cacti, they tend to occur in paroxysms. And you can get over one paroxysm of coughing, and then very shortly after, a whole new episode may begin. It may sound so severe to someone listening to it that you wonder how they can be surviving with coughing this much. So it's a very hard and racking cough, and the whole body gets involved with the coughing. Typically they hold their chest also because it's so hard. Also, you will typically see vomiting with Drosera coughs. And you can see blood in any mucus that they cough up, or the coughing may trigger episodes of nosebleeds. The coughs in Drosera are worse at night, particularly at 2 a.m. They are worse lying, especially when first lying down, and also worse eating or drinking. There can be neurological manifestations with the cough of Drosera, and especially cramping of the muscles can be associated with Drosera. And like Coccus cacti, there can be a sensation of crumbs or a feather in the throat or larynx that triggers the cough.